Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing a PR unboxing of Born Pretty. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So Born Pretty was kind enough to send me these 5-piece box set, and I don't really remember what's in there. I know it's mostly cat's eye gel, but we're gonna check them out today. So it's been a hot minute since I've done a voiceover, so hopefully it's like a first date. It's a little nerve-wracking, but anyway. So this is their Super Shine Cat Eye Magnetic Gel Polish. And that was my phone. And this is looking like some silver color here. So that's going to be cool. I only have a few cat's eye gel polishes, so I'm really excited to see the new ones that I have. But I can't wait to test these out, you guys, because I think we all struggle with cat's eye magnetic gels. So today's going to be a part 1 video. I'm going to leave the product links in the description box below if you would like to try these out for yourself. I also have a discount code that you can use on their website. I am affiliated with Born Pretty. This one here is a gold one, and I'm loving this gel polish. It looks thick, right? So I feel like I'm gonna get some really good magnetic effects with this one, so I can't wait to try it out. But yeah, so this is gonna be part 1, and I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. I am gonna swatch it up a little bit, and then in my next video I am going to be doing a how-to on my rerun workshop, so that's gonna be a first. I normally just do my rerun of an episode and do nails, but I think I'm gonna try out some of my magnets that I got on my anniversary, and I'm going to use them with these cat's eye gels, because I mean, this is just so super perfect how everything is aligning like this. So for Thursday we are doing a rerun workshop, and it's going to be a part 2 of this video series, and then part 3, which will be intended for Friday, I'm going to do an actual set for you guys. And I'm just going to use these colors, so I'm kind of like freaking out because I don't know if they're all going to work well together, but I'm just going to have to figure it out. So that one was like a purpley one or something, like a fuchsia, or I don't know. I'm not good with shades. But yeah, this is the last of the magnetic gels, and this one is a Holo. Hello! Look at this. This one's going to be so interesting to use. Look at the Holo. I've never had a Holo cat's eye gel. I've only had the metallic ones. So this one's going to be really like psychedelic or something. But yeah, I think in tomorrow's video, I'm going to use different backgrounds, because I think the struggle with cat's eye magnetic gels is also they work well with different types of backgrounds. So I'm going to just try the basic white and black and see what each of them looks like, and then I'm going to use the magnets. Sometimes the kind of magnets you're using also have an effect, so we're going to check that out tomorrow. Here is a regular gel polish. It's part of their Silky White series, I think it's called. I'll have the product link in the description box below. But look how pretty this is, you guys. I love Born Pretty glitters. I love the mixture of glitters that they have together, and this color that we just saw, it looks like some sort of you know, mermaid ocean type color. So I'm gonna love that. So these are the gel polishes that I received. Thank you so much, Born Pretty, again, for allowing me to do this. And so now we're gonna go on with the swatching. So I'm just gonna take this nail here, just one long nail, and I'm just gonna take sections from it and just paint this stuff on there. Again, we are gonna do a how-to video tomorrow for the part 2 of this series, and then again on Friday we'll do an actual set using only these colors. You know that every time I do a PR package, I usually just use what they give me. I will throw in some base or top coats where needed, or nail glue for rhinestones, but for the most part I try to use just what they give me and see what I end up doing with it. So that was one coat, you guys. I'm gonna give this a little cure and then we're gonna take a look at it. And this is one coat with that glitter gel polish. Look how nice and pretty that is. It's very mystical. I do get ocean vibes. Yeah, and now I'm gonna do 2 coats of this because sometimes you do need 2 coats. I love to do 1 coat. I try not to do 2 coats just because I don't like overusing a product, but I know in this case you have to, because the color is there and the glitter is there, so you need to double up on it to get it to really pop. I mean, sometimes I might do it just on the bare nail, but other times I do put it over a solid color, so usually 1 coat is fine. But I'm going to give this a cure and we're going to take a look at what that second coat does, because most of us do the second coat and it does come out a lot better. I'm all for subtlety, I don't know. But this is the second coat. Look at that color, and then look at the glitter. And the other thing with putting more coats is that you get that dimension, because I can kind of see the first layer of glitters and then the second that we laid on top of it, so it looks so pretty. So I'm gonna go with this silver cat's eye gel thing. I wish they gave names to it and not numbers, because that's no fun really. But so I'm just gonna do a 1 coater on this. Again, like I said, some cat's eye gel gel works better when you have a background color behind it. In this instance, I'm not going to do that today, so we're going to be doing that in a part 2 video. But I just wanted to show, like, quickly how you can do these things and how they react, because I also feel like the type of polish has a different density of these little metals, and of course with the type of magnet you're using, it also has an effect. So I feel like you can't expect to have the same results from polish to polish and from magnet to magnet. So I just gave it a little brush on the ends there, and I really didn't like it, so we're just gonna put on. One way to fix is to reset, so I just need the brush to smear the metallics around again, and then we're gonna try this a second time. Okay, so I'm going to try this, like, just pushing it off of the edge, you guys. That's my phone again. I'm not gonna even bother, but yeah, I'm just pushing the metals off the edge. I like to have that cat's eye gel look. There it goes again. I'm so sorry, you guys. Cat's eye gel it looks like a cat's eye, but in saying that, it's pretty much it. I'll probably have to show you guys tomorrow, but it's the look that you get. It is by running the magnet on each side and pushing those magnets, those metals towards the inner of the nail, that it kind of makes it look 3D. So now I'm going to take this little pen magnet and I'm just going to make droplets because, you know, that whole droplet trend, I don't know. So I figured I'd at least make these undulations with the metallics so you can see how you can manipulate them. It doesn't always, like a lot of people do the straight line on the magnetic gels, and you can do a lot more shapes than that by how you use your magnets. And when I got this magnet set for my anniversary, that just opened the doors to so many more options, because here I have this magnetic pen, I have different sizes, I think they might be different powers as well, and then I have different shapes, patterns. So tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day. Look how cool that is, you guys, and that's from a pen. You can't do that with the wand that everybody gets when they order cat's eye magnet gels. You have to go and find, you know, a good kit out there that has variety, and you'll be able to do a lot more than what most people are doing these days. So that has been cured, and this is what they look like. And this is just the first cat's eye gel polish, so I'm kind of excited to see what the other colors will look like. And this one is the gold. I told you, like, I love the look of this. It's nice and thick, and it makes me think of melted down gold, which who doesn't like that? So putting this on now, it's not exactly what it looks like on the brush, right? So it looks more like yellowy, but here's the thing. I'm gonna put this against a black background, and I'm telling you guys, this is probably gonna look so amazing, and it's probably gonna pop when I do the magnets. But right now on this clear nail, it's looking a bit yellow. So I don't know. And as you can see too, I don't know, it's like I said, gel polish to gel polish, it varies. So it looks like the metals in here are just so super light, or something's going on to where, you know, I have my brush pushing this around, but it looks like it's scraping it off, you know? So I don't know. Right now I'm a little worried about this one, but I think it's just going to be a whole new story tomorrow when we put it on top of a background color. So I use the wand for that. I'm going to give that a cure, and we're going to take a look at what we have. So I have, this is the Holo one that's next. I'm excited about this one too, but I don't know how it's gonna work on a clear nail, because it's just so, it's got the glitter, so it's gonna be like how I put Holo glitters on a nail, so I don't think you'll be able to see it as much. But I bet you again, this is probably going to look so cool behind a dark background color. Most of them work well with a dark background color. So we'll see too how it does with a light background. Again, tomorrow I'm going to be using probably black and white. See how it works. And see that it's very transparent. So, I mean, I can see it. I hope in this camera you can kind of see it, but I'm going to give that a cure, and that's, you know, that's going to be that. We'll test out more magnets tomorrow. But you see this, you guys? It's very subtle, but you can imagine what this would look like on top of a black background. How pretty would these be, you guys? This is going to be so fun to work with tomorrow. And it's very chill because I'm not trying to do a design or anything. I'm just gonna see how they work, because I'm also gonna think about that design I have to do on the third video. And I hope that Born Pretty ends up liking it. The only issue is I think I'm just gonna use these colors. So the only background color I can use is perhaps, you know, like this polish here, because it's nice and it's one of the most opaque ones. So I could use that as background, or I can use that glitter polish as a background. It's a little transparent, but I think it would be dark enough to show the cat's eye gel polish. Alright, I don't know. So this is my flower magnet. I've always wanted one, and now I have one. Look how cool that is. This is really fun, you guys. Like, I'd probably be sitting here like playing with cat's eye gel polish all day and not curing it just to see what I can come up with. The other day I saw like someone do a bear, and I thought that was phenomenal. I would not, like, I would try. I always like to try to replicate hard things people do, but there's no way. Look how cool this is, you guys. That top one there is just crazy. And I bet you over, like, let's say the gold cat's eye, it would look like flowers. It would be really nice. But this is it, you guys. So go click on that notification bell, because tomorrow I'm going to be testing these out in my rerun workshop. I mean, the colors are beautiful. I just can't wait to see what they look like when I really get the chance to work them. So look out for my part 2. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll totally see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.